Okay, let's go. Stay here, Stu. Oh my goodness, Ivy, what do you think? What do you think? Look at right here. It is on our side. Okay, let's go look around. It's pretty loud. There's a snow blower. Okay, go down. Well, Ivy, look. Our Christmas lights are falling off. Okay, let's go. The car? Oh my goodness. Full of snow. Yeah? Okay. The garage? Yeah, it's full of snow too. Would you like to go check out the backyard? Ivy? Yeah. Okay, let's go. I know, it is kind of hard. It's packed from all the wind. Okay, let's see if we can get the door open. Oh! Okay, go ahead. Oh, hold on. We have a downed ladder. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, Ivy. Oh my. Oh, and look, Ivy. We lost a screen out of our deck. Oh, our hot. Yeah? Do you want to go check out your playground? Okay. Come on. You can't. I think you'll be okay. Just walk. What do you think? Your playground's white. What do you think of your playground? What's that? Oh, yeah. The bird feeder's covered in snow. Yeah. The ladder? Okay, let's see. Whoop. Oh yeah, you're right. The ladder's covered. I think everything's covered. In your house, yeah. Good thing we don't live in that house. Okay, oh Ivy, look at your, yeah, your tarp on your swing got all wrecked. Yeah, we'll fix that. Yeah, we'll get a new one. Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember that. All right, let's go this way. We'll go check out the rest. Why don't you lead? Oh my goodness. I see. What do you think? It looks what? Oh, yes. Well, we're safe here. Wow. Okay, now that you showed your viewers the outside of our house from the storm, what would you like to say to them? Sounds good.